was a young kid searching for his place in the world. And I saw you. I was smitten by your natural way of being, your kindness, and the strength of your inner child. You memorized me on that day in the same way that you do every day.
So yeah, we love this video. Like, this is exactly where we want to go. Everything way more like rock and roll. We changed the aspect ratio, but still, like, the fact that more than 30 million people have seen this is fucking insane. Anyways, we're gonna show you how we did this because we were recording a lot of behind the scenes and decided to do a vlog on this one as well. So we're gonna take you guys back to Mexico City, show you how we made all this happen. But before we do that, I want to tell you a little secret. So listen carefully, because I'm gonna whisper right in your ear. We're gonna have a little sale with all our stuff, like our LUTs for your colors, and like other stuff that we make, like sound effects and everything for your wedding films. So if you're interested, like, go to our website, because in June everything's gonna be ridiculously cheap. So make sure that you go check that out. Okay, cool, here's the video. Bye, see you later. As you know, we are creatures of habit. We love adventure, but we thrive within rhythm and repetition. The vibrance of the street corners and the colors of the music feed the filmmaker's soul.
Violence has erupted across Mexico following the killing of the country's most wanted drug leader, known as El Mencho.
U.S. Embassy issuing a shelter-in-place order for Americans in areas around Mexico City.
That's where we're going, to Mexico City. And we've received messages from friends and family if it was smart to go. And they said that Mexico City was the safest place, so we went.
Yeah, he's very famous.
Yo.
After sitting in an airplane for 12 hours and Robin almost breaking his leg, we arrived to our place in Mexico City. And the first night, it was a rough one.
We have a jet lag.
What time did you wake up?
I think 4 or something.
Oh, nice.
But it's almost 7, so shops are almost open. It's time to buy some coffee.
Coffee.
And yeah, it's kind of it's not really fun to make a shopping list with this guy. You know, the only thing he says is, I want eggs and Cocoa Zero and beer without alcohol.
Ungrateful piece of...
Bro, this is like 2 different subjects.
This is like a prison breakfast.
That would be a very bad prison. We're having this community of filmmakers that follow along on our adventures, and one of the greatest things, in my opinion, is that we get to meet all of you filmmakers around the world. And this time,
Who are you going to pick up?
Daniel Alejandro Contreras.
Good to see you, bro. Bring it.
That's what he said, bro. We come all the way from Amsterdam.
Yeah, what do you mean?
The fucking OG from Mexico. We reached out to him a couple of months ago because we needed a 3rd shooter for this event, because, you know, 500 people is just a little bit too much just for the 2 of us, right? And obviously you can see each other's work on Instagram and you can have a chat online, but you never know how the vibe really is.
He's jealous now. Like waking up at 3 a.m. to be with these guys as a tourist guide. Welcome to Mexico City, dude.
If you've seen our first vlog of the year in Thailand, you know that we have some resolutions. The first one is eating healthier, and the second one is going to the gym more often. So, before the first event, we decided to pay a visit to the gym. Here I'm doing some dips, I'm pressing some bench, Robin is on the flies, and that's it. Short and sweet. Now it's time to prepare for the first event.
Dit is geen goede angle voor mij, Rein. Dit is geen goede angle.
So when you're editing a film, it's pretty convenient if all your cameras are set on the same time.
Let me show you why. You drop all your clips into a folder, bang. Then you go to metadata display, and under basic you select creation date. Then you go all the way to the right and click on creation date. And now
Everything's in chronological order.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Zin in?
No. Jij? We are so lucky. First and foremost, because couples like this reach out to us because they like our work, because these guys are just amazing. Like, they're super outgoing, super nice, and I mean, they're pretty, especially Gabi, not you, Oliver. No, just kidding.
It was like a 9 out of 10, dude.
9 out of 10. What could be better?
Like,
Robin's behavior.
this motherfucker.
We had a very nice morning. We backed up all the footage from the event from yesterday, and we prepared ourselves for another event. Day number 2, baby. We're going to s2e2. I probably pronounced that wrong. And on the way there, I asked Robin a question. You can only take one lens to an event. What lens are you taking?
24-105.
You probably think to yourself, the Sony 24-105, isn't that an f4 lens? Don't you get in trouble with low light? And because we shoot on Sony cameras, low light is 0 issues, because Sony has a dual ISO of 12,800. And yeah, we're pretty big fans.
There we go.
So this for us is by far the biggest wedding we've ever done. It's over 500 people. The wedding is spread out over 5 days. There's 3 days of events, 2 being 7 hours and the wedding day being 15 hours. And then we have a day off, followed by a couple shoot the next day. It's pretty crazy, but because of social media, a lot of people see our work. I think millions by now. And sometimes we're at weddings and people recognize us, which is wild. And there was a girl that approached me during event 2 and she's like, I've seen all your work and you're going to shoot my wedding in 2 years, I promise. And I filmed it, so it would be incredible if that would actually come true.
Day 2 was a fucking crazy movie.
Event 2 was incredible. The events, I'm not sure if it's the amount of people, it's the music, it's just the guests, it's the couple. It was another banger of an event. It just gets better and better. And tomorrow is the wedding day and it's going to be another big day. So I'm very, very excited.
Oh! It's a lot of gear, bro.
Fucking tired.
Lekker?
It's 10:58 and we still have 4 hours to go. Fucking hell, my legs are dying. I'm a dead man walking.
And as you can see, even by the end of a very long day, we are still very much energized and very enthusiastic to work even more. However, all the best days come to an end, right? I mean, if you're a filmmaker, you probably know the feeling. It's been a long day, you're nearing the end, your knees start to give out, your back starts to say like, hey, shall we not? And that's what we also feel. Sometimes after 8 hours, sometimes after 12, and on a very good day, after maybe 12 and a half. But 15 hours, that seriously impacts the mind. Oh, and our physiques. I mean, not mine, especially Rein's, because he's just a very big pussy.
Rein. Daniel rating 9.5 out of 10.
No, fucking 10.
Huh? And we're back. Normally we shoot couple shoots before the wedding, but in this case we shoot it 2 days after. And to be honest, that's not a bad call. 1 full day to recover, and we feel recharged and creatively inspired to make something cool again today.
And my god, it will make something cool today. Oliver, tell us where we are, man.
We are on the top of the JW Marriott.
Wow.
We were top of the hotel where our room block was, where all our friends stayed and all our boys banged.
We've been to a lot of very cool places, but this is a very different feel than a lot of other places that we've been so far.
How are you guys feeling?
Amazing.
Out of breath. And very happy to
I've worked with Rein Robin on this wedding. Thanks, Oliver.
I always still do wonder what our future versions of ourselves would think about these little videos. Will we think like, oh my god, like what a fucking idiots? Or will we secretly maybe even admire like the endless ambition and craziness and
Mwah. Mwah. I love you. You're the best, whoever you are. I see you.
We did it again.
Fucking hell, it was epic.
This was so awesome.
Holy shit.
Look at this fucking
Can't
view,
wait for the
man.
edit of this one.
Oh my goodness.